Hey, I'm Missy Catania with Blendtec. I'm the account manager for the Northeast. I'm going to kind of show you the Stealth 895 NBS and show you the best features of the product. The Stealth NBS comes with a micronizer, which is our single cup blending system that simplifies and eliminates waste. So all you would do is you would fill the cup, lock it in, flip, and blend. This micronizer will only function with the Stealth 895 NBS. However, this NBS is so versatile that the blenders will also blend on the Stealth. We are coming out with a new micronizer that will enable a cupping system that will allow four different sizes of blending cups. So rather than the micronizer that's currently there, which only restricts a 16 ounce or 24 ounce, you will have the availability of a small, medium, large, extra large. That is our Stealth 895. This is Missy Catania signing off from the NAFAM 2019.